How to send an expiring photo in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send an expiring photo in Telegram. So if you want to share a photo that disappears after a certain time, this feature is perfect for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply select the chat or group where you want to send the expiring photo. You can either choose one-on-one chat or group conversation. And now, once you are inside the chat, simply tap on the attachment icon located in the text input area. Now from there, simply select the photo that you want to send. And once you have picked the photo, you'll see a preview of it in the chat window. Now to make the photo expire after viewing, simply tap on the clock icon next to photo preview and this will open the self-destruct timer. Now you can choose how long you want the photo to stay before disappearing, and once you have set the timer, just hit the send button and the photo will be sent with the expiring feature. And now here, after the recipient views the photo, it will automatically disappear based on the timer that you have set. And the photo won't be saved to the gallery either. And it won't appear in the chat history once it expires. And that's it. That's how you can send an expiring photo on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.